Your first question is, which planet has the most moons in the solar system? Options are Option A, Jupiter, Option B, Saturn, Option C, Uranus, and Option D, Neptune. The correct answer is Option B, Saturn. Okay, here is the next question. What is the largest volcano in the solar system? Options are Option A, Mauna Loa on Earth, Option B, Olympus Mons on Mars, Option C, Mount Everest on Earth, and Option D, Elysium Mons on Mars. So the right option is Option B, Olympus Mons. Your next question is, which planet rotates on its side, almost 98 degrees from its orbit? Options are Option A, Uranus, Option B, Venus, Option C, Neptune, and Option D, Jupiter. The correct option is Option A, Uranus. Alright, let's move on to the next question. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Options are Option A, Neptune, Option B, Uranus, Option C, Pluto, and Option D, Saturn. The correct answer is Option B, Uranus. Next up, what is the name of the galaxy we live in? Options are Option A, Andromeda, Option B, Milky Way, Option C, Sombrero Galaxy, and Option D, Whirlpool Galaxy. The answer is Option B, the Milky Way. Okay, here's the next one. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Options are Option A, Jupiter, Option B, Neptune, Option C, Venus, and Option D, Uranus. The right answer is Option B, Neptune. Moving to the next question. What is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt? Options are Option A, Vesta, Option B, Ceres, Option C, Hygiea, and Option D, Pallas. So, the correct option is Option B, Ceres. Your next question is, what celestial body is sometimes called a dirty snowball? Options are Option A, comet, Option B, asteroid, Option C, meteoroid, and Option D, star. The correct answer is Option A, comet. Alright, let's go to the next question. What planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Options are Option A, Earth, Option B, Jupiter, Option C, Saturn, and Option D, Mars. And the answer is Option B, Jupiter. So, next question is, what planet has the Great Red Spot? Options are Option A, Saturn, Option B, Jupiter, Option C, Neptune, and Option D, Mars. The right option is Option B, Jupiter. Moving to the next one, which planet has the densest atmosphere? Options are Option A, Venus, Option B, Earth, Option C, Jupiter, and Option D, Mars. The correct option is Option A, Venus. Okay, here's the next question. What is the most reflective body in the solar system? Options are Option A, the Moon, Option B, Venus, Option C, Enceladus, Saturn's moon, and Option D, Europa, Jupiter's moon. The answer is Option C, Enceladus. Your next question is, which planet has the most eccentric orbit? Options are Option A, Earth, Option B, Mercury, Option C, Mars, and Option D, Neptune. The correct answer is Option B, Mercury. Alright, next question. What is the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere? Options are Option A, Titan, Option B, Europa, Option C, Ganymede, and Option D, Callisto. The right answer is Option A, Titan. Okay, here's the next one. Which planet is known as the red planet? Options are option A, Earth, option B, Venus, option C, Mars, and option D, Saturn. The correct answer is option C, Mars. Let's move on to the next question. Which dwarf planet has a heart-shaped glacier? Options are option A, Ceres, option B, Pluto, option C, Eris, and option D, Haumea. The answer is option B, Pluto. So, next question is, what is the name of the boundary marking the end of the Sun's influence? Options are option A, the asteroid belt, option B, the Kuiper belt, option C, the Oort cloud, and option D, the heliopause. The correct answer is option D, the heliopause. Your next question is, what planet has the largest ring system in the solar system? Options are option A, Jupiter, option B, Neptune, option C, Saturn, and option D, Uranus. The answer is option C, Saturn. All right, moving on. Which moon is the largest in the solar system? Options are option A, Titan, option B, Europa, option C, Ganymede, and option D, Callisto. The correct option is option C, Ganymede. Next question is, what planet has the largest canyon in the solar system? Options are option A, Venus, option B, Mars, option C, Earth, and option D, Mercury. The answer is option B, Mars. Okay, moving to the next one. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Options are option A, Mercury, option B, Venus, option C, Mars, and option D, Jupiter. The correct answer is option B, Venus. Alright, next up. What is the only known planet where liquid water exists on the surface? Options are option A, Mars, option B, Earth, option C, Europa, and option D, Titan. The answer is option B, Earth. Your next question, which planet has rings made mostly of ice particles? Options are option A, Jupiter, option B, Uranus, option C, Neptune, and option D, Saturn. The right answer is option D, Saturn. And here's the final question. What planet is closest to Earth in size? Options are option A, Venus, option B, Mars, option C, Mercury, and option D, Neptune. Comment your answers and don't forget to share your score.